Ford patents a new pickup tailgate with a hidden door. Ooh, I love tailgate talk. There's been some innovative tailgates of recent.
Sure.
And some of which include the multi-tailgate, this one on the Ram.
Yeah, this is a nice little
This is a cool
demonstration.
idea. So, it's a beautiful GIF. So this one can open sort of like barn doors out. It can go down like a typical tailgate, and then it splits. Maybe it's 60-40, maybe it's 65-35, whatever it is. It splits as well, so you can have one of the little doors, one of the doors open and not the other one. So this lets you open up the tailgate in a variety of situations, whatever happens to be convenient. Now, Ram calls that the multifunction tailgate. Then on the GM side, you had the one that had the step. It sort of had an extra tailgate within the tailgate. Mm-hmm. And then Ford has had this sort of handle you hold on to and this one singular step that comes down. And now I know this because I've had F-Series trucks. I had a GM truck that had the other tailgate. The only one I haven't personally owned is the multifunction tailgate from Ram. But this is a new tailgate. A small fold-down bumper step can be used in conjunction with a side-hinged door. So
yeah, it's gonna look much like this, but maybe not with like two parts. Maybe it's just one giant thing with two hinges.
So you can open it either way?
Yeah, down and like one side.
Okay, so
it's not like
pull it
this
out.
one.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah. I follow you. And then you would still have a step, which would sort of fit around where the hitch receiver is.
Yeah, tucked under the top of this door here.
Wow, so the tailgate wars continue. You got to pick who is the champion of tailgates. There's a lot of people who still want the simplest tailgate possible, but I just find it fun to see them attempt to innovate and think of different ways that a tailgate could work. And I love trucks, so I'm down for it.
Sure.